Pippa loves our planet. Pippa loves our planet. It was Love, our Planet Week at Playgroup. Pippa and her friends were very excited. "Welcome, children," said Madame Gazelle, pointing to a picture of the world. "This is Earth, the planet we live on." "Wow," gasped children. "The little things we do to look after our planet can make a big difference," continued Madame Gazelle. "Can anybody think of some things we can do to help?" "Recycle," cried Peppa. "Use less water," said Pedro. "Grow our own snacks," squeaked Rebecca Rabbit. "Walk, not drive," said Sue Zebra. "Save electricity," barked Danny Dog, switching off the lights. "All excellent idea," said Madame Gazelle. "Well done. But let's turn the lights back on for now, Danny, so we can see." "Okay," said Danny. "Now, children, I'd like you each to make a Love Our Planet scrapbook at home," said Madame Gazelle. "You can fill it with all the things you do to help look after our planet, and then bring it for the show and tell." "Oh," gasped Peppa and her friends excitedly. They love making scrapbook and they love show and tell. At home time, Daddy Pig arrived with Pippa and George's scooters. "Can we scooter home every day, Daddy?" asked Peppa. "It will be better for our planet if we don't use the car." "Great idea, Peppa," said Daddy Pig. "I love scootering." Daddy Pig raced off, and Pippa and George scootered after him. "Wait for us, Daddy," cried Peppa. When they get home, Peppa and George help Mommy and Daddy Pig with dinner. "If we put the peelings in the food waste bin, Grandpa can use the compost on his garden," said Peppa. "Then can help look after our planet." "Lovely idea, Pippa," said Mommy Pig. "We can take them to Grandpa tomorrow." The next day, Pippa and George scooter over to Granny and Grandpa Pig's house with a food waste bin. "Thank you, Pippa," said Grandpa Pig, thrilled with his gift. Over time, these peelings will turn into compost, which will be fantastic food for my plants and will help my garden grow very nicely. And it will help look after our planet," said Peppa. Then Grandpa Pig had a surprise. He gave Pippa and George a window box to take home. "These flowers are very important," he explained. "Bees and butterflies love them. We need insects to help plants make seeds. Thank you, Grandpa, cried Peppa, buzzing around, pretending to be a bee. I'm a busy bee looking after our planet. Buzz, buzz, George giggled. When they arrived home from Granny and Grandpa Pig's house, Peppa and George watered their lovely new window box. Look, George, cried Peppa, all these bees and butterflies have come to visit our new flowers. After lunch, it was time to pop to the shops. Daddy remembered to bring some old shopping bags so we don't have to get new ones, said Peppa. Great idea, Peppa, said Daddy Pig, picking up some shopping bags to reuse. Right, let's go. Just as they were leaving, George pointed to the light switch. He wants to turn off the light to look after our planet, explained Peppa. Thank you, George, said Mommy Pig. I'll do it for you from now on. Your job can be to remind us to turn off the lights. George grinned. He was very happy with his new job. That evening, Peppa and George tidied up and put everything into the right recycle bins. Let's sing the recycle song, said Peppa. Recycle, recycle, we're going to recycle. 10 cans, bottle, newspapers. Recycle, recycle, we're going to recycle. We'll take everything to Mr. Bull's recycling depot tomorrow, said Mommy Pig. But there's still one more thing left for us to do today. Our scrapbooks, cheered Peppa. Peppa and George used some of the cardboard from the recycle bin to make their Love Our Planet scrapbooks. Then they drew and stuck in pictures of all the different things they had done to help look after our planet. Wow, what a lovely scrapbook, said Daddy Pig. They recycle, Daddy, said Peppa proudly. At bedtime, Daddy Pig was the last one to brush his teeth. Make sure you turn off the tap while you're brushing, Daddy, said Peppa. That way you won't waste any water. Spluck, slip, mumbled Daddy Pig through a mouthful of toothpaste. The next morning, all at playgroup, Peppa, George, and their friends show Madame Gazelle their Love Our Planet scrapbook. Fantastic! Work, children, said Madame Gazelle. You found lots of ways to look after our planet. I hope you all learned that when it comes to looking after our planet, Everyday little things makes a big difference, shouted Pippa and her friend, finishing Madame Gazelle's sentence for her. Pippa, George, and their friends love our planets. Everyone loves our planet. Thank you guys for watching. You must love our planet. Help to recycle. Switch off the light. Use little water for brushing. And don't use car, just walk. Thanks for watching, kid. Subscribe, comments, and share, please. Thank you. What's next time again? The end. Bye.